For years, Apple's MacBook Pro has been the best designed laptop you can buy. But Apple's superiority in space has been increasingly challenged in recent years, as more and more laptops with Windows 10 have been adopting a similar elegant and premium aesthetic. One of the best laptops with Windows 10 that you can buy now is the Huawei Matebook Pro X card from $1,200–$1,500, which has a design you would be proud to show your friends with MacBook Pro. Your screen will also be a source of envy. It also has excellent specifications and an even better price tag. The Matebook X Pro is not as minimalist as Apple's MacBook Pro, but it's the same in class and elegance. It is a beautiful portable computer that transmits vibrations of first quality. In addition to the Matebook X Pro design, your screen is an important source of those premium vibrations. It has the thinnest frames I've seen on any laptop, and the effect is the same as with smartphones. It looks more elegant and more advanced on screens with thicker bezels, including the MacBook Pro, and is more impressive as a result. It is similar to the difference between the bezel between iPhone 8 and iPhone X,